What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So back at my dad's, 240 same. I haven't done nothing, guys. There's nothing for me to do, so too busy with everything going on. I don't have time to do anything yet, so sits here covered. I took off all the fake JP for the Lexus. I'm gonna put actually in the Avalon because my parents do daily the Avalon every day, so I'm just gonna put the fake stuff in here. Not worried about what's it called, people laughing. It's my parents. I'll put the real stuff in my car, but eventually I'll hook this one up. I'm still sick. I'm gonna go take a COVID test when I get home, actually. I'm not trying to get my parents sick, just wanted to come by. Got off of work, drove the Civic every day like always, and I'm gonna put the fake stuff in. So see my dad come out, but gonna just put the pad, neck pillow, so at least, because my dad sits in the car while my mom gets the groceries, which we just put the groceries in the house. And yeah, I still got a cold. I gotta go get checked. I just had my interview, or not interview, but talk with the doctor about feeling sick and can't shaking it. So put the arm pad here. I'll show you guys this, how it is, and then I'll throw it all on. So I got the fronts on. As you guys can see, that's what the fake ones look like. To tell the difference, the real ones have like a thicker padding and a better shaping. These ones have like just very soft. I mean, it's still comfortable on your neck when you're sitting in the car, but you can tell by the embroidery and all that on here, it's not the real one. But it works good for, for being cheap. It's actually comfortable. And then these parts right here are just elastic. They're not the clips with the pull string. So that's how you can tell real from fake. So I mean, to me it's no biggie, but I get a lot of people always crying about, why would you put it on there? I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, like I said, I don't daily my Lexus as much as I used to, so I don't mind now putting the real one on there, just because my friends with either sneaky heads are not going to get it all dirty. And then like I said, the JP floor mats, people will be like, oh, why don't you get those? I don't even think I would put my feet on them. Like, let me show you a picture of them. So that's why I wouldn't even do it. But I'm gonna slap these in here, so at least they got something comfortable for their neck while they're chilling in the car, grocery shopping, or running to the doctors. So at least it's just something for now. So out of all things though, I really want to put a table back here. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta go with Floss VIP though, and then get a measurement out for this and put a table on there. I think that'd be great. So all right, so I'm using my iPhone. I had my doctor call me back. I got to do blood work, check everything with me, and yeah. So basically, that's what they look like. They do eventually get loose, so then you got to pull the straps tight. That's why the clip ones are way better. Plus, they're real. But just so you have an idea of what eventually this, Toyota Avalon can look like. But first, you got to do the Lexus before I can actually get into this. But I mean, it's a clean black car. I already have the idea of wheels I would love to put on here. It has potential. But yeah, I'm gonna, like I said, I gotta go home and get checked out. I'm not feeling too well right now, so I'm having trouble breathing. So all right, guys. Just a quick video. Thanks for watching. Peace.